all queens think they're fierce. I said mistake all queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
What's up, Fierce Gang? I'm Tashfierce and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and join us again. So today I'm doing a vlog. Obviously I'm not sure where this is going, what it's about, but I think for this week I'm going to just pamper myself. So I'm currently on my way to get my nails done, mani, pedi, all the good stuff. I want to do my lashes because this is not cute, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it today because it's almost 4 and you know, per usual, I'm late. Nothing new. I promise that I'll change my life. I will be early one day. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you on the journey with me. So I'm here. Y'all remember this spot? So I'm going by Taveionn to do my nails. So guys, I just got my nails done. It is after 7. I won't be able to do anything else today. I'll have to do my toes tomorrow. I'm gonna try and get my lashes done tomorrow, my eyebrows and everything else. But here it is. I'll insert a video so you can see better. Hey guys, so it's currently the other day. Music I play, I don't want to get copyright to me. I'm in mother getting a burger. And for breakfast, it's after 2 and I'm just eating breakfast. I'm waiting to get my nails, well, my toes done, my eyebrows and my lashes. So yeah. So it's now after 4. I'm about to get my lashes done. Guys, it's my first time getting my lashes with Fusion. I hope I like it. I already got my toes done. As per usual, white. Nothing different. Nothing new. So I'm going to get my brows waxed and my lashes done, as I said earlier. I'm going to miss my earrings, don't?
No?
A video with it coming soon.
I'm fine.
So I just got done with my lashes and my brows. My brows are a little irritated because of the dermatologist. Is it dermatologist prescribed? Well, that's what the man said. It is actually, but I didn't get it from a dermatologist. So it made my skin very sensitive. And this is the result. It should be done in like few hours. So this is my lashes, guys. I love it. Simple, it really looks like my real lash. I'm waiting on my drive right now, but I didn't get to show y'all my nails. Okay, so this is my nails. She was actually freestyling it. I don't love it. I like it. I don't hate it. I just like it. Like, it's cute. It has alkaline on it, of course. Oosh. So this is it. So guys, I love the lashes they are giving, but my thing is I am paranoid as hell. So having my eyes closed for such a long time don't sit well with me. Yeah, I'm too paranoid for this, but otherwise it's giving. I think I would definitely do it again. Whoa, not even trying to kill me. Well, us. But yeah, my eyebrows, the swelling is actually going down already, thank be God, because my skin already a breakout. I can't take something else to go wrong with my skin right now. Mother's Burger, 2 out of 10. I do not recommend. This is garbage and it's way more expensive than Zinger. I wish I just had went to KFC and done, because right now I'm upset. From when I buy it and all I can't finish it. It is after 6 now? After 6. It is after 6 and I bought it from 2. Complete garbage. Anyways, I'm not sure what else I'll be doing today. So whenever I have something to say to you or something is happening, I'll update y'all. Guys, I know some of the press. In my attempt to looking better, look at this shit.
Waking up in the morning,
My skin already a breakout. My can't take something else to go wrong with my skin right now.
I'm trying to get rid of them,
Fucking
but
it
nothing
has
seems to stay
been
the same.
almost like I did. It's after 1. It has been almost 2 days, and this is how my skin is looking. So in my attempt to look better, my face fuck up more. Tell me if I'm gonna just jump off of the roof.
Yeah, I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this. You're killing me, man.
What the fuck? Literally look like stretch marks. So guys, it's few days after I am scarred. Not me trying to look better and end up looking worse. I think I did throw a tantrum. I'm not sure if I'll insert that. But yeah, the wax burnt me. I'm currently using aloe and what? Cocoa butter to try and get it off. But yeah, so I'm in an Uber for the first time. It is nice in here. Like, it's a nice car, a nice little Subaru. There's nice music, the AC, the driver is so nice. You're so nice. So yeah, I'm going by Chad right now. I'm going by Chad to deal with some video stuff right now. I should be going out later. I'm not sure where to as yet, but I'll update y'all guys. I know I don't make the people them video, and I've been wearing this wig every day. Like, I guess I'm gonna get my true right review, being that I've been wearing it for like a week now. So you go on.
So Tash from a vlog this guys, like, but those are crazy, like it actually work.
Guys, we are going to the pool, and yeah, let me put on makeup. That's all I have to say. Goodbye.
Oh god, I'm gonna omit this.
I'm the extra lesson now. I bet you not buy things the way they say I go buy.
What again?
They say I go buy
Oh god.
roll on
Yeah, I bought them.
and toothbrush.
I bought them.
Where am I powder here?
Oh god. Oh,
You know, go on.
yeah.
It doesn't look like stuff it can't work.
But it is, you know. This is a new eyelash glue, guys.
Oh, this is very bad. So guys, we're now about to go to the pool. It's too late and we have somewhere to go. We're actually going out. We're gonna get drinks first and then we're gonna go by the club. So we go to the pool tomorrow. And my week won't fix. So we're supposed to go at 7. I already did my eye makeup. I'm going to cook right now actually. I'm going to cook before I head out. Then people are disrespectfully. Why don't I message me while I record? Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna show y'all why they call me Chef T. I'm gonna show y'all how I put it down on my foot in the food. So yeah. No man, I'm gonna brighten up the light a little bit. Wanna see me? Ain't hard to miss. Alright, sometimes I get very cocky, but you know what, that's part of life. You have to be very confident and content about yourself. You gotta love yourself. You have to boost yourself. You have to hype yourself. Like, oh, I got hype if you don't hype yourself. Tell me now.
Have a skin on for you?
I thought you go first, kid. So yeah, go do.
KFC. I cook the rice.
But I mean, I do the rice right now.
No, I mean I cook the rice.
Because you need to burn the water. Wait, yes, people burn water? Watch here. Water burn.
If you know me, you know me.
Not this big
And
thing.
then must be boil water now. The water boil with the pot.
One idea?
Yeah.
When you try, we make purified water. You put the oil on the chicken and season and put the all of the powder seasoning on it to make it go and marinate. What is that, noodle? What? It's yak. So this is how I fry my chicken. I season it. We don't have no paprika though, and paprika really make a big difference, but I just let it go. I just put all of the powder seasoning on it, some oil, pepper sauce, and so forth, and also you season the flour. Oh, my nails are glue, girl.
Wow.
Ew, them big crabbers. And then the egg. Oops. Wait, I think you should put the egg in the same container. Because you're going to end up on. Wait, how many do you Doom. This first. 2 egg?
I did one.
I normally use one. I normally cook so much. I normally cook so much anyway, so. So we're gonna just leave this to marinate now after she mix it up. Because she ain't got no nails. So, you know, she's gonna do like those stuff. Marinate it up. And then we come back. So guys, we finished marinating. Well, no, normally we're gonna make it marinate for a couple hours as well, but we're actually hungry and we have places to go. So, yeah, just put it in the egg and then we're gonna put it in the flour. So guys, I'll just put garlic, the pepper. So I'm frying up garlic, pepper, and onion in the pot. I normally use scallion and thyme also, but I don't have any at the moment. So you have to use the unnatural fashion. And you have to do what you have to do. You gotta do what you gotta do when you work with what you have. Food still gonna slap. Not ask you. Hey Siri, play the music. What Siri? Shake it up, yeah. Get it all covered bomba. Guys, it's already smelling so good. Like, please, and make sure you season the pot. Season the pot properly. They don't call me Chef T for nothing. Like, what name is?
KFC owner.
Right, the formula. Like me, I have KFC formula. I have them secrets. Me have them secrets. That's why I'm going there without even waiting a line or nothing, no attitude, because me have them secrets. And them don't want me to let it out. So guys, we're about to leave. And we had to rush, so maybe I have to go check Chef T back because I never have time for a show now. But check the fit. Ooh. As I said, we are rushed, so guys, see y'all in the next clip. Hey guys, good, but it's not morning, it's actually afternoon now. So it's the following day. I'm actually going to go by the pool now. My last video got age restricted and yellow marked. If y'all know, y'all know. So I will not be showing any. I won't be showing myself in my swimwear, and I won't be showing my friend or anyone because I don't want to get yellow mark again. I don't know why YouTube are fight against me because literally nothing really showed in my last video when we went to the river. So yeah, we just showed them my swimwear. So this is the swimwear of the day. Copy it at Timiera's boutique, or you can get it at Fierce collection. It's a nice Louis V inspired, paired with these jewelry from Yard Smiles. You know Yard Smiles. Paired with these jewelry from Hood and Water Accessories. By the way, did I show you all my nails? Oh yeah, I did vlog it. Hey, sorry. Chrissy bathing. So yeah, with this and Jesus, this a change. You probably have to lash that way, but yeah, this is the fit. Last night I didn't get to do much vlogging because the club was dark as hell. We reached the club late, but we reached Terrace Bar and Grill. Had some shots, me, Brittany, and Chrissy. We had some shots at Terrace, and then we went to the club. Chad was there, Sing was there. Who else did they? Yeah, just Chad and Sing that I know. As I said, we never get to vlog club dark as hell. We were low-key tipsy from Terrace because those shots. I'm gonna insert some clip of Chrissy knocked the fuck out on the people them couch in the club. After 3 shots, no man, girl is literally lightweight. Like she not for drink none girl. Stick to your greens. I know she hear me in the bathroom, but for real, stick to our greens. People, don't pay attention to my wig. I'm gonna take it off. After I finish swim, I'm going to remove my wig. Okay, I can't go too close. So I'm gonna fix my lashes, I'm gonna fix my nail. I have a contract to go and sign. The new ambassador for. So I'm going to go and do that too. And then the following day I have a trip, which will be a whole complete different vlog. You might see that vlog before you see this one. But yeah, just an update, we're at the pool. And yeah, I ain't got much to say. Just have a swim right now. I'm gonna take off my hat, of course. RIP to my lashes. They're actually extension, but them not like water, I guess. But I'm going to go swim. I'm increasing my chin.
Hey vlog, hey.
We're matching, guys.
Oh yeah, we're wearing matching outfits actually.
So yeah, we're gonna swim. So bye.
Leave me alone. Come here.
Wait up your ear. Wait up your ear. Up your ear. Come here.
Don't you say leave. Oh my god. Right here is like 6 feet and like I'm not even 6 feet.
Fierce gang. My wig is falling off. I'm embarrassed.
Come here, come here, come down here.
That's why I'm come down here. No.
I'm gonna all long you stay there so your hand have to get tired.
Good exercise. Upper body strength.
I'm not stopping.
Exercise.
I'm not stop the video now.
I want your phone dead.
Nah, dead.
You not sure from this, huh?
No.
But me I swim. Girl, go back for your phone call and leave me alone. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind.
Girl, come.
Yes. So I did all of that for nothing?
There video.
Not me like me running from you and you just come over the other side so easily.
So if I may go run back here. Wow.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Guys, you taking it off.
Look at the top of his head.
Guys, 2021, secure your wigs.
Big. Get a scared bag.
Mermaid.
Oh man. Show them what you do why that happened.
I'm sure no miss win. Oh?
What you did why that happened.
Oh, alright. You have to go back and get wet.
Okay.
Alright. Swim lesson 101. Ready?
She's not moving. You just swim look away.
Look how far we reach, girl.
Deep.
Alright, we joke over now. Thank you, bye.
Alright guys, so that's the swim lesson 101. I don't know if you guys learned, but like, yeah, that's how she. Let's take it off.
I'm gonna go up. I'm not gonna do my video. That's why I'm gonna get it where it's coming. Take it off. But not down here. That's so ghetto. Oh my god, right at the top. The wig is off. Look at my wig. Just chilling by the pool side. We didn't even act like my wig. No, make it stay. I know not to you. It funny? Yeah. Funny. Hi. So guys, I just finished fixing my nail. I didn't get back the alkaline thing because that is too time consuming at this point. But yeah, Chrissy did her toes. Hey vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna refill my lashes now and then we're gonna try to get a swimwear and eating are the last thing we're gonna do. Oh, the eat. The heat, not eat. Okay. I thought you were talking about the food. But yeah, the place outside hot differently. Yeah, this.
You're so extra hot.
Probably call the car mufflers because almost all of them light on. So more than likely it's that. So yeah guys, catch me later. So guys, I went to film my lashes and guess what? I'm literally just one ball. Like if people just cancel my old trip because I didn't want to wear any makeup and look at my lashes. So treacherous. So yeah, the man that did them is not there. He said medical emergency. I don't believe him. I low-key believe him because he's always full and I don't think he's gonna miss so much money for if it wasn't a good cause or a good reason. But I guess I'm gonna have to do them on Thursday, in which I don't have anywhere going where I'm going to wear bare face because with makeup, okay, that don't want to be disrespectful, but okay. I'm not going anywhere else where I won't wear makeup because when I'm wearing makeup, I'm going to put on lashes because I ain't no basic bitch. I ain't gonna wear this outfit. Guys, I sincerely apologize. I totally forgot I was vlogging. I already even picked up my swimwear and saw some taboo outfits that Yannick was looking on to purchase. But now we're in a different place. I'm actually looking for something else. But Chrissy hasn't found her swimwear as yet, so we're looking for that.
Yes, guys. Anything I like.
Watch this. Go. Come here. Go.
Are you here to them attack? 5 minutes.
Really love them rip up shots, you know? You know them kind of get up, but I like them. I not have no money, guys. How much for? Ain't not that bad. 2,650, not bad. Even the price of clothing. I actually want a cute little top. Yan? Oh. They can cut it? Oh, wow.
I want pants.
Oh.
This is like a one pool party.
They my out of style, man. Why that look like it's sexy, so? No, not for me.
What's this?
Well, probably for somewhere else. That dress.
No, man, this
You'd have to wear it to do and dress. Why?
This
It's a dress with this cup. Oh, yeah, for true. This I feel like, as I said, this I have to wear somewhere else, like on a resort.
Yeah. What's my left hand?
You must say I go for the something over the store if you're not saying nothing. I shall start?
Yeah.
What the top we do? Cut it up? Like it could work, you know, if you cut the top. Yeah, but it's like you buy it that way. Because you should not buy nothing for nothing.
Thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate it and thanks for blessing.
Guys, so I done most of the shopping already and it got her clothes, everything. But you know most people don't allow recording and I can't let anybody talk to me and talk about my face. We're in a Panorama, a Panasonic, a Panama. So I never bother take out my phone and start recording. But we're in a restaurant where Yannick carried me and it give me yuck. She said the food is busting, it's really good, but I don't really like how it looks. She said that they're shrimp slaps. So that's what you bought the last time?
Yeah.
How much now?
12.
Oh my. So what is for $1,000 and $1,000 more? Too many here. Shrimp fried rice. That's what they took?
No, for shrimp fried rice.
Yeah, I'm not telling them I don't got KFC. You see how we shrimp then give? You see how we shrimp? So apparently this is a tough place too. She just called and someone must buy food for her up here too. Don't judge a book by its cover. Yan say it's busting, Tav say it's busting. Then I guess it's busting. Not anything for her.
Busting.
So guys, I think this is my food which is smelling burnt. It is the fried rice and shrimp. This is Tav's food. This is well ready now. Only even see properly. You know well ready? Bad. I didn't put it looks like pepper. Guys, we swear and I see good. Let me see. Can't turn on the light in. And I see good well ready. So this is Tav food. It's actually looking like it's nice. This is Jan's food. Ooh. You can partially open it, please. A fried rice, though? It actually smells good. Guys, now do a taste test on camera. So you can smell raw, real reaction. Don't mind my acne, it's not that serious at this point because it's been like a month. You ever buy this? It actually tastes good. Guys, you can call on the back. Guys, I'm not turning the light. Have a look homeless, I'm not sure. Right? So we're looking at ice cream. That's enough. Anyway, so we're looking at ice cream and stuff for it. I'm just going to end the vlog here because I don't even know where to go.
Sama tu kagak baca ya no. Sama dah gado. Through the fucking week when I'm saying my knees.
So guys, about ice cream. I'm not really an ice cream fan. It's the music for me. Me getting copyrighted for me. So I get pistachio. Top two for the. Thank you. Top two. You know, look bad still. I want spoon and give me a thing. You want spoon for the car? Oh, no, probably she want to eat some, yeah. Thank you. Anyways, I'm sure my ice cream. Yannick made me to pistachio. Hopefully it's good.